bust point. So, yung sukat na gagawin natin ay, ang shoulder is 15 divided by 2 is 7 and a half. So, armhole 18 divided by 2 is 9. So, ang bust, 36 divided by 4, ganito siya pagka-divide. So, 36, divide natin siya ng 4. So, ang 1 half is 18 divided by 4 is 9. So, katulad dito, ganun din siya pagka-divide. So, the answer dito is 9. So, yung waistline 30 divided by 4, 7 and a half. Hips is 38 divided by 4 is 9 and a half. Gamit natin dito ay inches lahat. Bust point is 10. Bust distance is 7 and a half divided by 2 is 3 and a half. Figure is 15. Then length ng blouse na gagawin natin is 25. So, from shoulder na siyang naging borderline natin, baba tayo ng bust point. So, 10. Tapos sa figure is 15. Kasi 15 yung figure. Baba tayo ng 1 inch sa lower waist. Then length is 25. Ganun din dito sa kabila.